Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I'm back with an interesting workwear outfits haul and ये सारे products हैं from Amazon. बहुत ही प्यारे fits मिले हैं मुझे which you will love wearing every time for work. Not just for work but even otherwise. इतने अच्छे summer fits मिले हैं मुझे that you're going to love it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. आते हैं टू द फर्स्ट आउटफिट जो है ये बहुत ही प्यारा सिंपल एलिगेंट कॉट सेट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड जानिसिया. इट्स इन अ लवली रस्ट कलर विच इज़ क्वाइट यूनिक. यूजुअली ये कलर्स के कॉट सेट्स इतने इजीली नहीं मिलते. आई लव दैट इट्स अ सॉलिड फिट. मुझे इसका जो फिट है I loved it that as well because it's like straight fit. It looks very great for workwear and I think 1399 का ये पूरा set है and I think it's totally worth it because जो quality है वो बहुत अच्छी है. It is a cotton blend fabric but the fabric feels so good to wear and kurta में there is a pocket as well, so it's a very smart fit. I like that it has the button detailing here and 3/4 sleeves. Very simple and क्योंकि ये solid cord set है there are so many ways you can style it. अभी मैंने इसे style किया है with a statement neck piece, a bag like this and very casual yet a very statement workwear fit. You can also style it with gold earrings, all gold accessories. You can keep it very minimal as well and go for a nice pony or a low bun, very sleek bun. Even that will look very nice, or sleek straight hair. There's really so many ways you can style this fit with so many different bags, so many different colored accessories that you can use it not just for work wear. आप बाहर कहीं जा रहे हो फ्रेंड्स के साथ तभी भी आप इसे पहन सकते हो. इट्स सुपर कंफर्टेबल, ग्रेट फॉर ट्रैवल एज वेल. एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन. अगला कुर्ता सेट है ये ब्लैक एंड वाइट क्लासिक कॉम्बिनेशन का कॉटन कुर्ता सेट. ये है फ्रॉम द ब्रांड लिबास. When it comes to Libas, I know the quality is going to be awesome and this is priced at 1399. Again, because it is Libas, I can vouch for the quality and I feel it's worth the price. मुझे इसका print बहुत अच्छा लगा. इसमें detailing of silver which I like and even on the sleeves there is that गोटा पट्टी जैसा detailing है on the sleeves. Very minimal but yet looks very nice and it has printed pants as well. और इसका दुपट्टा भी बहुत प्यारा है. सो ओवरऑल इट्स अ क्लासिक कॉम्बिनेशन सेट जो वर्कवेयर के लिए तो बहुत ही परफेक्ट है. लाइक यू कैन नेवर गो रॉन्ग विद दिस फिट एंड इवन जो इसका जो फिट है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. इट्स अ स्ट्रेट फिट एंड फिट्स परफेक्टली. साइजिंग हमेशा सही रहती है लिबास की विच आई रियली लाइक एंड अगेन इट्स ग्रेट फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप्स एंड perfect workwear outfit. So do check out the link. Other head to the next kurta set. This was love at first sight for me and इतना प्यारा pastel blue shade with floral print का ये set है. This is from the Amazon brand Mix and I think सिर्फ 800 रुपये का ये set है which I feel is a great deal and पूरा जो set है वो printed है. I love the colors on the kurta, even the prints of the flowers, it just goes so well with the whole pastel blue color. Overpowering नहीं है, बहुत ही subtle and बहुत ही classy दिखता है. The only issue I have with this is it थोड़ा transparent है, so if you are not into such kurtas you will not like it. But बहुत ही breezy है for the summer. It's so lightweight and so airy. I have a little like loose fit and I'm really happy with that because it looks very nice this way. And V neckline है and the dupatta also is very very pretty. So overall it's a very nice summer breezy fit for workwear. You're just heading out for lunch. It's very nice, very casual and I do recommend to check this out. Another stunning piece from the Amazon brand Mix. Like this set literally speaks summer. इतना प्यारा color combination है. It has this beautiful floral print with these contrast purple like sort of polka dots going all over the kurta and the whole set is so beautifully done and इतना perfect fit भी है इसका and you won't believe it. Again, this set is priced only for 750 rupees. How amazing is this deal? इतना प्यारा set for such an affordable price is a steal deal. Perfect for workwear, perfect for just going out to run errands and again ऐसा एक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन आप पहनोगे ना तो दिन भर आपका चेहरा बहुत ही फ्रेश लगेगा. इट इज़ इन अ कॉटन मिक्स फैब्रिक बट इट फील्स सुपर कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर एंड वेरी ब्रीदेबल. तो इस गर्मी में ना बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल ऑप्शन है टू वेयर एंड टू ऑल्सो लुक सुपर स्टाइलिश. आप स्टाइलिंग बहुत मिनिमल रख सकते हो, जैसे मैंने यहाँ रखा है. यू कैन गो विद सिल्वर और गोल्ड एक्सेसरीज और इवन पर्ल्स विद दिस आउटफिट. इट्स वेरी वर्सेटाइल एंड या आई कैरीड वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट बैग्स एज वेल जो आपको अमेजोन पे मिल जाएगा. सो या दैट्स द होल लुक. लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक. आते हैं टू द लास्ट एंड माई मोस्ट फेवरेट सेट फ्रॉम टुडेज वीडियो, दिस कॉटन वाइट शिफली सेट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मिक्स. अगेन इतना प्यारा सेट है इन शिफली. इट हैज़ दिस sort of like mirror work but it's not really mirror on the neckline and it has a simple trouser fit pant. Very simple set but because it is shiftly it just looks so beautiful and just the detailing on the neckline makes it stand out completely. Even the sleeves are really nice and मैंने इसे बहुत minimal styling दी है just with like oxidized jewelry. इस तरीके से बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You can wear it for work wear as well and because it is shiftly and because it is white you can style it in so many different ways. You can layer a lot of boho style jewelry, boho style accessories like bags. You can wear it for your vacation, you can wear it for work wear if you style like this. So there are multiple ways of styling this and I absolutely love this set. Thoda price point mein higher hai, it is a little more than 1,000 rupees but the set is amazing. It feels so comfortable to wear and just looks so good for the summertime. Absolutely love this, highly recommend this. Go check it out. So ये थे सारे products for today's haul video. Let me know your favorite one in the comment section down below. And you know the drill guys. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.